They say life is short, but here's the truth nobody likes to talk about. It's not just short, it's unpredictable. You don't get a warning before your last day. You don't get to save time for later. And one day, without realizing it, you'll run out. When you really understand that, your priorities change. You stop chasing things that don't matter, and you start protecting the things that do. Today, I want to share 7 powerful choices that if you make them now, you'll look back on your life with no regrets. 1. Spend more time on what fills you, not what drains you. We all have the same 24 hours, but not the same life. Most people trade their days for things that make them miserable, jobs they hate, relationships that hurt them, habits that drain them. But your time is your currency, and once you spend it, you never get it back. If you fill your life with the things, people, and work that make you feel alive, the days won't feel wasted. And here's the secret. The important stuff like bills, chores, and obligations will always be there. But joy, that's something you have to fight for. 2. Say the words you're afraid to say. Life's too short to keep your feelings locked away like a secret. Tell people you love them. Apologize when you're wrong. Say thank you when it matters. Because one day, you'll wish you had the chance and you won't. The truth is, regret doesn't come from what we say, it comes from what we never say. 3. Protect your peace like it's your most valuable asset. Not every argument is worth having. Not every person deserves a front row seat in your life. And not every problem needs to become your problem. Peace isn't something you find, it's something you create. And the more you protect it, the more you realize that the little annoyances you used to obsess over don't actually matter. 4. Take care of your body before it forces you to. Your body is the only home you have. When you're young, you think you can eat anything, sleep less, skip workouts, and still be fine. But every choice adds up. And one day, you'll either be grateful for how you treated your body, or you'll wish you could go back and do it differently. Eat well, move your body, sleep enough. It's not just about living longer, it's about living better. 5. Create more than you consume. We live in a world where it's so easy to get lost scrolling. Hours disappear watching other people's lives while yours passes you by. Instead of only consuming, start creating. Write, paint, build. Start that side project. Make something that lasts longer than a screen refresh. When you create, you leave a piece of yourself behind. 6. Choose experiences over things. Think about the last thing you bought. Now, think about the last memory you made. Which one made you smile just now? At the end, it's not the car, the watch, or the shoes that you remember. It's the moments, the road trips, the late-night laughs, the times you said yes to adventure. Collect moments, not things. 7. Live for today, but build for tomorrow. Yes, life is short, but it's also long enough to create something meaningful. Don't spend all your time waiting for one day, but also don't throw away your future for short-term comfort. Save money. Build skills. Nurture relationships. Live in the now, but plant seeds for later. Because when the future arrives, you'll thank the past version of yourself who cared enough to prepare. Here's the thing, life being short isn't bad news. It's the best reminder you'll ever get to make it count. So choose wisely, live fully, and never forget, you don't control how much time you have, but you do control how you spend it. If this spoke to you today, share it with someone you love. You never know who's waiting for this reminder. Hit that like button so more people can see it. And if you're ready for more conversations like this, subscribe to The Growth Theory. Your best life is built one choice at a time. Now tell me in the comments, what's one choice you're making today that your future self will thank you for?